What is going on, guys? It is Jadeon from SoleSpice, and today we'll be reviewing the Air Jordan Retro 5 grapes. It's 2013 edition, and these are my beaters, just so you guys know that. They're pretty much worn out, like to the max, I guess. But yeah. So the best feature of the Retro 5s is the comfortability, and that also comes along with the insole and the tongue. Let's not forget the bubbles right near the, just the bubbles like right around the edges of your insole. And then if you look inside, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but the inside is it's really flat, but you just like with the air bubble being right here, it just makes it a lot more comfortable. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then another thing with the Retro 5s, it's pretty spectacular, is the translucent lace lock. I think that's like a Retro 5 Air Jordan, what's it called, like its own little thing. I don't know if they have these kinds for any other Retro Jordans, but yeah. So we're gonna get more into depth with the sole. Now, like I said, these are my beaters, so the sole look like garbage. And don't even ask what that white stuff is, because I don't even know. But the sole is usually extremely clear. It's not a blue clear like the 2014 releases of Retro 5s and all the other retros, but it's a gray clear. It's a regular translucent. But it definitely it complements the colorway of the white grapes. And one other thing about the white grapes is I really like how the black, the clear, and then the white, and I just think they did perfect with the sole. And then the toe box. The toe box, like usual, is one color, one solid color, which would on real grapes would be black, on replica or B grade grapes would be white. So watch out for that, by the way. And then now we have just the profile of the grapes, which would be, you would find the mesh right here, and then you would find the shark teeth, and then the basically whole colorway. And the mesh is like one of the best parts for Retro 5s. I don't know why, it's my opinion, but it adds more to like the characteristics of the Retro 5. And yeah, I mean that's about it when it comes to Retro 5s. In the back, it just has the for 2013 it's Air Jordan release, and yeah, it's like all you really have to do. So yeah, we're gonna be back with the on-foot review. So yeah, see you then. What is going on, guys? It is Jaden, and welcome back to the on-foot review. We are wearing khaki pants with these, and we usually do shorts, but these definitely look really good with khaki pants. So if you guys look at the profile, you can picture the lace lock, the laces, the white, then the whole entire colorway. It all just stands out. It stands out, in my opinion, more than the black does, just because white's more of a bright color, and you can obviously see white more than black. But yeah, the shark teeth are the blue color or green color, I can't really tell. And then the purple color, that's what's going around the shark teeth, and then the black little add-on to the top of the back of the midsole. And then if you look at the back, you can see the purple wraps around the whole entire shoe, along with the black in the back, and the Air Jordan symbol. With you could also see a hint of the sole, the clear sole, and then right there you guys can see how big the bubbles are on the side of the top of the shoe. That's like, I don't know what those are for. It doesn't make it more comfortable. I think it's just for the look. So if you look at the other side of the shoe, it's basically the same exact thing. There's nothing special on the side. By the way, a little bit of tips when it comes to 5s increasing. The most place it's going to crease is obviously right around the toe box area, but you also have to watch out for the top, right where you insert your foot, because if you bend that part a lot, it's going to look really bad, just in case you guys didn't know that. But yeah, you can also see the clear sole right there, as long with the air bubble, and then like usual the shark teeth and the main colorway. And then the front, it has, unfortunately my laces aren't very clean, so it looks kind of different when you have dead stock and then you have worn out beaters. But you can see the tongue like amazing, like this tongue just stands out Like if you saw somebody walking down the street and they were like a couple, like if they were like on the other sidewalk, you would see the shoes, and that's like one really good thing about retro 5s, is all retro 5s are different in a good way. So you can see the lace lock, you can see the laces obviously, you can see the tongue with the basic colorway, you can see the toe box with the laces, then you can see the black sole, which is paint. By the way, the black sole is painted with black. That was originally a clear sole, but what they do is they usually paint that one little part. I don't understand why, but I think it just makes, I guess it makes it look better. But yeah, so I mean that's the whole entire shoe basically. So yeah, thanks again for watching, guys. It's been Jaden and SoleSpice. If you guys want to show some additional support, you can always like or favorite the video. If you guys want to look for sneaker news and sneaker updates and whatnot, you guys can always follow us on Twitter and or Instagram. And then we have a website where you can purchase a bunch of materials, or not materials, but products to clean your shoes, or you guys can purchase like services from us to clean or restore your shoes or your soles or whatever you guys need us to do for cheap. There's also a giant sneaker store on there for foams, LeBrons, and all Air Jordans. So yeah, thanks again for watching, guys. It's been Jaden, and I'm out. Peace.